Hi everyone, it's Claire, your onboarding specialist here at Quantum Algo Trading. Before you can use the Quantum Flow indicator, you must submit your Tradingview username so access can be granted. Quantum Flow is an invite-only script, which means it will not appear in your Tradingview account until your username has been approved. I am going to show you exactly how to find your username. First, open up the desktop version of Tradingview. In the top left corner of the screen, click your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, click Settings and Billing. At the top of your settings page, you will see your username displayed next to your profile image and display name. It usually looks like a single word or handle. That exact username is what you need to send. Carefully copy your username. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes or extra spaces. Once you have copied your username, send it directly to Kaptn. You can send it through a direct message on Discord, or you can email it to admin@quantumalgotrading.ai. After you submit your username, please allow up to 24 hours for access to be activated. Quantum Flow will not appear in your Tradingview account until access has been granted. Once you receive confirmation that your access is active, you can move on to the next video, where I will show you how to load Quantum Flow and connect your Lucid account to Tradingview. Please complete this step before continuing. I will see you in the next video.